Today, I'll be showing you how to fix out-of-sync audio in VLC Media Player. To start, you'll need to know roughly how out of sync your audio is in seconds. Also take note of if the audio is early or delayed. Start by opening the Tools heading, then select Track Synchronization. In the new window, you should see an Audio-Video section. This is where you can adjust your audio timing. If your audio is delayed, then enter a minus and type the number of seconds your audio is delayed by. For example, if your audio is delayed by 7 seconds, then set the timer to -7. If your audio is playing before the video, then simply enter the amount of seconds to offset the audio by. Close the window. Play the video. If the audio is still out of sync, then you can use the J and K keys on your keyboard to adjust the audio delay. Pressing the J key will reduce the delay by 50 milliseconds, whereas the K key will increase it. You should now be able to sync up your audio in VLC.